Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm standing in front of a 2025 Can-Am Defender Max Limited. We just installed the new updated Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Yes, you heard that right. It is updated. How is it updated? I'm going to show you once we get on the inside. So with this Ryco Street Legal kit, well, there's actually two versions of the Ryco kit. This one is the upgraded kit where we're going to replace these signature lights from Can-Am. We're actually going to take the stock ones out, throw them away, or stick them in the closet or hang them in the garage somewhere. You're never going to use them again. But watch how this is going to work. So I'm going to operate the turn signal right here. Check that out. It's going to have a nice signature light, nice signature look, a very custom look. On the inside, it does also tie into the turn signals up on the dash, so you've got the actual arrows where it integrates. Also, you've got the four-way hazard function. You're going to pull out on this lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. And around the back side, one of the things I love about the Ryco Street Legal kit is it integrates into all the stock tail lights and the LEDs in the back. Check that out. Very nice. Also, while we're on the back, the Ryco kit also includes a mount to illuminate the plate at night, as well as that light. Over on the inside, make your way back up here. When you have the four-way hazards on, you're gonna need to go up or down with this lever. You cannot push that red lever back in. Now, I did say there was an upgrade, but before we get to that, horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. It's very nice. Very loud, but the updated part is this housing. Check out this custom housing. So on the kits of the past, we have done a lot of different things. We've been able to try to figure out how to get it to mount close enough to the steering column and allow you to shut the door using the stock housing. We would take a little grinder and grind out a section where the Street Legal kit would go in. Then we just started throwing the housing away. And now Ryco has done it right with this new upgraded housing. You have all of that custom housing that does integrate all the way around that switch for the Street Legal kit. It does add a nice clean element to this limited side-by-side from Can-Am. We do have this kit in stock, 435-427-3338. Give us a call or shoot us a text. If you get your order in by about 1 p.m., we can get it out the same day. We'll be sure and post up in the description below where you can go on and place your order online. Again, the new updated kit for the Can-Am Defender Limiteds, 435-427-3338. Have a good day, everybody.